Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get secret pets in car training. These powerful companions offer incredible boosts to your vehicle's speed and overall performance. They are essential for winning races and advancing quickly in the game. Understanding their benefits is the first step to acquiring these rare allies. We'll cover where to find them and how to maximize your chances of success in this exciting racing world. The primary way to get these elusive pets is by hatching rare eggs. You'll find these special eggs in the game's item shop or during limited-time events. Be prepared, as the chances of hatching a secret pet can be incredibly low, sometimes 1 in 100, or even as rare as 1 in 100 million. It truly takes patience and persistence to find these powerful companions within the eggs. There's a wide array of secret pets, each with unique boosts. For example, the Cursed Hell Eye, hatched from a Hell Egg, offers a 10,000 booster. The Frost Titan from Frost Eggs gives a 45,000 booster. You might also find the Cosmic Assassin in Cosmic Eggs, providing a massive 100,000 booster. These pets significantly amplify your car's capabilities, making them highly sought after for competitive play. To maximize your chances, first complete the Spawn World, requiring 2 wins and 25,000 rebirths. This unlocks access to secret pets. Focus on accumulating rebirths, as this often opens doors to more powerful companions. Always keep an eye out for special game events, as they frequently introduce unique eggs with exclusive, limited-time secret pets. Strategic saving of your in-game currency for these specific rare eggs is a smart approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.